afternoon, good evening. It's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet, and I'm telling you, man, today is gonna be such an epic day, an epic cook up in my kitchen. And today I'm gonna be cooking salt mackerel rundown. And for many of you who are not familiar with salt mackerel rundown or are from a different culture, yeah, so please watch and see how we do this. And for many of you Jamaicans and Caribbean people who know about this, you know, let's see how I do it. This is how I do it. You know, you have many different ways you can do it, but I'm going to take you and show you Chef Garnet's way. Okay? Before I get into showing you my ingredients and what I'll be using, you know, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment also. Let's get my pot over here. As you can see, is I already put some in the water, fresh water. So I'll be cutting open the pot. Right, so let's take that out. So this is what it looks like, salt mackerel. It's salted. You got fresh mackerel, but this is the salted one. All right, so I'll get rid of the tail. So I'll cut this in 3 pieces. All right. I just put them in my pot over there, and I'll be rinsing it off with some fresh water. Just rinse it off, you know, with a lemon. You know, rinse it off there. And you try to get rid of all of that salt. It's good to have a bit of the salt in there. So give it around 2 rinses. Just rinse it off, and then what you're gonna do, just catch some water just to cover the fish. Cover the fish with some fresh water now, and then I'm gonna put this on the flame. You go back over here. Let's have a look. You're gonna put this on the flame to come to a boil for about 10 minutes. Once you get that nice and scalded off, all that salt will come off. So here we have, I say 1 pint of coconut milk cream. So as you can see, look how rich that is. You see that? So I'm gonna put that on my flame, and we're gonna bring this up to a boil because you want it to become in a custard form. Okay. I'll partially pick these up, so I'll show you how I do my salt mackerel. I'll just leave a few pieces so you can see. So here it is, our salt mackerel. It's scalded off. So what I do, I just run the top slowly, you know, because this bit needs a lot of attention in it and a lot of love, you know. So what I do is get all of those scale off of it. Let me just put my thing in there. Let's get a knife just to pick the bones out of it. You know, you gotta be gentle. You don't want too much bone in your salt mackerel. Let's clean it up, you know, get off all of those black bits and all those little pieces in there. You know, let's clean it up properly. So what I do, I get my knife and just lift those bones out of your mackerel like that, yeah? Put that in there. I say you need something to, like a running tap, you know, it's best. You can put it in water anyways. Now, don't worry about my sink. I always clean my sink after every use, you know, so my sink is very clean, so don't try to have a go at me, right? So this is it. You see, all those bones are out. Whatever excess bone, just pick it up, yeah? Just pick it up like that. You know, it's one of those mackerel that you see there, it's around 2 pounds, 3 pounds, something like that. Yeah, I pay around 3 pounds for one of these mackerel. You know, if you want, you can leave a few pieces of the bones, like these big pieces in there. It's nice to throw up on them. My mackerel is already picked up. Yeah, as you can see, look, nice and lovely. This one is gonna be so good. I'm telling you, if you have never yet tried salt mackerel rundown, this is what we call it back home. I don't know if there's another name for it in your culture or wherever you are. Yeah, so I know that many people from different culture and background are watching this video. So yeah, I'm trying to do a video for everyone. Okay, so I'm just displaying a bit of my culture, and I'll also cook other things as well, you know, from other culture. I'll try. For salt mackerel and rundown, we normally do it with green bananas and yam and dumpling, very nice. But also you can do it with roast breadfruit. Yeah, it will be very good as well. So yeah, let this come up to a boil and get a bit thicker, and then I'll come back and show you when I'll be adding in my seasoning inside of it. Okay, you know, this is my coconut cream. As you can see, this is a custard. See, this is how it becomes, like a custard. It becomes very thick. So now it's time for me to go in with my seasoning. So here I have one large chopped onion, and I'll be going with some garlic, and I'll be going with some scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll be going with some scallion. See that like a stir. Look at that. You see that? Nice, creamy, consistent. So I'm gonna go in with some bell pepper, and I'm going to go in with a couple sprigs of thyme. Pull those leaves off of it. Over here, I'm gonna go in with some pimento berries. Just crack them. If you find it's getting too thick on you, then you can just add a little tip of water just to loosen it up a bit, because it will get thick. I'll be going in with some tomato, yeah. So what the tomato does is it's gonna give it that nice red color or yellowish color. You know, some people put a bit of turmeric in there as well to give it that nice little color that you're looking for. I think tomato should do it. I'll be going with just a bit of paprika. I'll be going with some chili seasoning, yeah, some chili flakes. I'm using some herbs seasoning, all right? And just a little bit of fish seasoning. So here we have it now, our salt mackerel rundown, almost there. And as you can see, all my seasoning is already in there. If you can look at that nice color going on in there, that coconut milk. So now it's time for my salt mackerel to go inside of it. I'm doing a lot, you know, because I never know, I like to cook a lot, just in case somebody passes through, yeah? That's me. I always cook with the intention that somebody. So yeah, once you get that in, just mix that in together. So I'll leave this for around 5 minutes, then I'll come back, plate up, and show you what it looks like on the plate. Welcome back. Here we have it now, our finished dish. You know, salt mackerel rundown with dumpling, and we got some white yam over there, and we got a piece of pumpkin, 2 fingers of banana. You know, that's the way Chef Garnet do it in the kitchen. You know, I'm telling you, man, this one is gonna be so nice. As you can see over here, we got our salt mackerel already garnish up and everything. Salt mackerel rundown. Yeah, man, nice and lovely. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Yeah, and leave a comment in the comment section, because you know, say when Chef Garnet in the kitchen, it's not a normal thing. I'm telling you, man, I'm gonna taste this. I can't wait to dig into this. I wish you guys could have tasted this. Look at this. The salt mackerel is so. Look at that pumpkin with that salt mackerel. Wow. I wish you guys could have tasted this out. Until next time, Chef Garnet in and out the kitchen. Yes, man. Peace out. Can't be good. Be careful. Children, obey your parents. Okay? Here we have it.